think you're better than me, but you can't really prove anything. Like